Most RV travel channels, they just show the travel portion of the RV event, and they never really show all the stuff that goes into it. They dabble in it, but they don't concentrate on it. So when you watch this channel, you're going to understand and learn how we actually use the systems on the RV. We're going to be working off of a 2026 Brinkley Z3100. It's a newer RV we just got into, and we've been traveling with this RV. And so we want you to understand how we use it, the different systems from propane, for water, through electrical, and some of the subsystems. You know, you got air conditionings, you got carbon monoxide monitors, you got purging your lines. Just every single field service event that you can imagine, we're going to try to cover. Now, I've got a lot of field service logs when it comes to RV, and I'm going to go through those with you. I'm going to give you kind of the tips and tricks of how I troubleshooted, how I came to the conclusion, and then what did I do to do the fix, right? So this is going to be your technical, practical how-to channel on everything that has to do with the RV that I am personally going through on a regular basis. Now, my background, I'm an ex-military technical person, right? So I was in electronics in the military. I troubleshooted, so I learned that at a very, very young age. I got out of the military and I became a field service engineer. And for almost 20 years, I traveled around the world fixing complex equipment. So I do understand equipment. I do understand electronics. I have a project management background and an engineering management background. And so with all those things wrapped in together, I'm going to give you my technical feedback, but I'm going to bring it down to so an average person can understand it. Believe it or not, none of this is rocket science, and any one of you can learn how to do this. And so I hope you're encouraged by subscribing to this channel and by liking and commenting on the content, and to tell me exactly what you want me to focus on. And so I can talk to you about the different things that I've helped other people fix RVs, that I've gone on service calls when it comes to RVs, and what I do with my own personal RVs. All right. So please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for new and updated content.